going, guys? It's Check the World with Q-Pop. I'm Sophia. Today we're going to be reacting to 91. 91 has been away for a while, so let's watch it. Oh, by the way, the Ayama reaction, I just found out the other day that it got blocked here on YouTube. If this video gets blocked, I'm gonna link a website that is called vk.com, and that's where I'm gonna post this video. Before we get into the video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You thought this was gonna be cute? Psych! It's funky already. Oh. Here we go. Okay. See you, I see. It has subtitles, thank God. Oh my God! Oh my God! Am I blushing? Oh my God, me encanta. It's so cool when you see them all together. That was amazing. The rhythm, everything. It's a song that you want to jam all day, every day. Like, you're cleaning, you're doing laundry, you get the point. I got it, I understood, and thank you for putting subtitles. I understood what happened, but at the end, you know, this girl, she's on her phone, and you know, they don't seem like they're having fun. Either way, bless their soul, bless AC, bless Ace, bless Sack, bless Bala. And what amazes me the most is that they all get screen times. It's not as other groups that you see most of maybe 3 members getting all the screen time. The other members, just there, where are they? Are they even in the video? Are they singing? Another side note, I'm going to look for K-poppers, not K-Shine Francis. I'm going to look for some of the girls to react to Q-pop, and of course they're going to react to 91. I was wondering if you guys can tell me what song should they react to. Maybe this one was really good, but I was kind of hoping to put a video that was more. This video is definitely an option, so let me know what song should they react. Other than that, it was amazing. AC, you gotta tone it down a little bit because my heart can only take so much. Jesus, I'm dying here. The video was amazing. It was cute. The lyrics, finally I can say they were amazing because there were subtitles. I don't know, I got so excited when I saw the subtitles option. Thank you so much, and I hope this video doesn't get blocked. Bitch, try me, bitch. Anyways, I hope not. Please don't block it. Remember to comment which song the K-poppers should react from 91. So yes, stay tuned for that. This is it for Check the World with Q-Pop. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and comment until next time.